Hi there, my name is Jeremiah with October Mountain Products, and today I'm going to go over the Versa-Cradle Bow Vise and how to tighten the actual vise clamp itself. So throughout the normal use of operation, individuals may experience an issue where even though the lever is in the locked position on the vise actually still moves around and has a lot of play or a little bit of play in the ball joint. There is a way to tighten that. It is normal. There's a pressure plate on the inside that's actually coming up on the bottom of the plate, and we'll go through how we're actually going to go ahead and tighten this down. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're actually going to need to put the vise in whichever position you think is going to be the easiest, and you actually need to flip the vise over, and you're going to see right here there's 4 screws on the bottom. Those 4 screws are going to come out. There's a circular plate we're actually going to spin to tighten down on the ball joint, and then we're going to reinstall this plate back and you'll have a normally operating bow vise again. I'm going to go ahead and take these 4 screws out. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down here on the table. Get my 1/8 inch wrench. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these. Once you have the base plate pulled off of the bottom of the Versa-Cradle, you're actually going to be looking up inside of the guts in the bottom of the ball joint. Now what you can see here, and what we need to do, this lever moving back and forth is complete free play from side to side. You'll also notice right here there's a plate with some holes, and we're actually going to rotate that plate up into the ball joint. You can see that right there. But first, before you're able to do that, you'll actually notice that there's a set screw right on the top side of the lever right here. We actually need to loosen that set screw and then go ahead and insert that. So you go ahead here, grab the proper wrench set, which is actually a 3/32, loosen that set screw, and that will then enable us to spin this. There's a lever right here, and actually enables you to spin. You're going to need to make sure the lever is in a loose position because that's actually relieving the tension from the plate, and that's going to enable it to spin a little more free. So, with that being said, once you have it at your desired tightness, you're going to go ahead and actually re-screw the set screw back into the vise. Tighten that up. You're going to take the base plate. You're going to go ahead and put the base plate back on. And then once you've tightened each of the bottom of the 4 screws up into the base plate, you go ahead, you flip it around, and make sure that it's tightened. And there you go. Fully functioning Versa-Cradle again with a properly operating ball joint. Thank you very much for joining us today. For more videos like this, feel free to check out OctoberMountainProducts.com.